Hello everyone, so this is your host and your English ka dost Vineet Kapoor once again before you. And as you know friends, in our last session we told you about ambition, but that was our part 1. आपको मैंने कोई असाइनमेंट दिया था, किया क्या आपने? और अगर आपने वो वीडियोस नहीं देखी हैं, my request is please watch those videos. We'll give you the link here. Okay. लेकिन सबसे जरूरी बात उससे आगे बढ़ना. तो क्या आपने 2-3 लाइंस लिखी है एम्बिशन के बारे में? और अगर लिखी है आपने तो मैं भी दिखाता हूं मैंने आपके लिए क्या सैंपल तैयार किए हैं. ओके, तो आज है हमारा हाउ टू टॉक अबाउट एम्बिशन का पार्ट 2. हियर वी गो. सो आज हम आपको सैंपल फॉर्मेट्स देंगे अलग अलग. तो जैसे हम स्टूडेंट्स के लिए आपको बहुत सारे सैंपल फॉर्मेट देंगे. ट्राई टू ग्रैस्प वन. ओके, आप एक को अच्छी तरह से ग्रैस्प कर लीजिए और उसकी खूब प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. यू कैन कस्टमाइज इट एज वेल. आप इसको अपनी तरह से कस्टमाइज भी कर सकते हैं, यानी कि चेंज कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन से आई वॉन्ट टू सिक्योर. लास्ट टाइम आपको याद होगा हमने आपको वर्ड्स दिए थे सिक्योर, क्रैक, गेट थ्रू. बोला था कि नहीं, इनका इस्तेमाल जरूर कीजिएगा. ओके, सो आई वॉन्ट टू सिक्योर और मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं, वांट टू. वांट टू नहीं बोल रहा हूं, वांट टू. I want to secure top rank in IIT-G and get admission in IIT Mumbai or IIT Delhi. तो अगर आप किसी कंपटीशन की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, you can always write like this. Okay. Or you can simply say, I want to crack. Now look at this. Okay. I want to crack SSC CGL exam. So that means if you are preparing for government exams, you can tell about that exam. Okay. So I want to crack SSC CGL exam and want to join Ministry of External Affairs. So that means his goal is very precise, very clear. I want to go into this job, into this department only, like this. So you can say as an assistant section officer. Yeah, you can speak like this. So this is about 2 goals when you are preparing for competitive exams. Now suppose you are not preparing for competitive exams, then what? So what? We'll talk more about it. But first of all, this is our blueprint bundle. And if you want to know more about it, just give us a message on our WhatsApp number 96483 No calling please. And it's a bundle of 7 courses where we give you a lot of videos, PDFs, assignments, activities, video making activities, talk room and lot many things. Okay, and of course you become a member of my inner circle group as well. Yeah, you want to purchase the bundle? Go to bit.ly/English Blueprint Bundle and you can purchase it there. Okay, so let's continue with the samples of students. Okay, so we can say I want to be the university topper and want to receive a gold medal in my convocation ceremony. तो जब आपको डिग्री मिलती है, that is called a convocation ceremony. तो आपका अगर गोल एम्बिशन ये है कि एक बार मैं वहां पर जाऊं और मुझे वो कॉन्वोकेशन जब सेरेमनी चल रही हो तो मुझे स्टेज पर बुलाकर गोल्ड मेडल दिया जाए. Yeah, if that is your ambition, you can speak. Again, if you are a student, you can take any of these 4. I want to be skilled in the practical knowledge by the end of my graduation program. Simple. You don't want to be a topper. You don't want to receive a gold medal. What do you want? You want to gain practical knowledge so that you can apply that. So this again can be a very good answer. Okay. So these were 4 sample answers that we gave you for student. Now let's move on and talk about working professionals. I'm sure there might be many working professionals here. How many of you are working professionals? Just right there, I am a working professional. I am this. You can write your post also. I am a manager in a multinational company. Okay, so you can, whatever your post is, you can write it there. But this is very interesting and you can make a lot of answers from these sample answers. For example, you can say, I want to get promoted to the position of project manager in my organization. तो अगर आप प्रमोशन चाहते हैं तो आप उसको ऐसे बोलिए, ये मत बोलिए आई वांट प्रमोशन. नाउ दिस इज बैड वे ऑफ सेइंग दैट, स्पेशली इन द इंटरव्यू. ओके, डोंट डू दैट. और आई वांट टू अचीव 100% सेल्स टारगेट और मे बी मोर एंड बी द टॉप सेल्स पर्सन इन माय रीजन. सो दिस इज द बेयर मिनिमम दैट यू वांट टू अचीव. सो यू वांट टू डू मोर देन दैट, यू कैन स्पीक दैट. ओके, बट व्हाट डू यू वांट? यू वांट टू बी द टॉप सेल्स पर्सन इन योर रीजन. Yeah, so this was for the business professional, working professional, and then we have for the business persons also. Okay. You can say, I want to multiply the profit margin by expanding my business to the US, the UK, Singapore, etc. So that means you are giving different things here. So you want to, what is your ambition? You want to multiply the profit margin. How? By doing this. Where? Here. So these are three components here, and this is a very good way actually of talking about your ambition, because you're not only talking about ambition, you're not only talking about what, you're also talking about how. Yeah? Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, I want to be the best in my niche. Last time I told you about niche, that means that particular area that you are working. Okay, so your niche can be different. Your niche can be education. In education, there can be very fine niches. Okay, so you need to know your niche कि मुझे काम कहाँ करना है. Okay, so I want to be the best in my niche. I also want to try new business ideas in new markets. Now this is what you want to do. So going forward, maybe that you would be trying different ideas, but right now I want to be very good in my own niche. यानी मैं अपने सेक्टर में अच्छा होना चाहता हूँ. Yeah. Okay, let's take some general ideas. Okay, कि लोग कैसे बताते हैं अपने एम्बिशन को. तो अगर आप उनको अलग रखें, और इसको कोई भी अपना सकता है. So you can always speak like this. Oh, I'm a good cook. So if there is a housewife and she wants to do that, and she should do that, she can say, I'm a good cook and want to start my own cookery channel on YouTube. So मैं YouTube पर अपना एक कुकरी चैनल चलाना चाहती हूँ. आप कह सकते हैं. And you definitely should have an ambition. I want to become fluent in English, as my main ambition is to be an eloquent public speaker. Now this is great. So when you're using adjectives like eloquent मैंने बहुत अच्छे, यानी कि जिसको जब वो बोले तो उसको सुनने का मन करे, he is an eloquent speaker. ओके, तो आप ये बताइए कि मेरा एम्बिशन सिर्फ पब्लिक स्पीकर बनने का नहीं है, बट टू बी एन एलोक्वेंट पब्लिक स्पीकर. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू वांट टू बी अ क्रिएटर ऑन यूट्यूब? या तो अगर आपका एम्बिशन है ये, तो ये रहे आपके सैंपल्स. लेकिन सबसे जरूरी बात, आई वॉन्ट दिस असाइनमेंट टू बी डन बाय यू, एंड राइट इट इन द कॉमेंट सेक्शन. What is your long-term goal? Now I have changed it. I have tweaked it. Ambition I had asked in my last assignment. अगर आपने वो नहीं किया है तो इसी में आप ambition का भी बता सकते हैं और long term goal का भी. Long term goal means आप 6 साल, 7 साल, 10 साल बाद क्या करना चाहते हो. Okay, let's talk about that also. Okay, so write it in 2 or 3 lines in the comment section or in our Facebook group. Okay, just a reminder about our course. You want to know anything about it, just give us a message on 96483. No calling please. And of course, you want to get connected with me, here are my social media addresses. You can follow me on YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, Insta, anywhere. And you can purchase our courses here. Okay, thank you so very much. It was great talking to all of you once again, but my request to all of you would be, keep speaking. That's very important. Keep practicing. So, अगले सेशन में एक बार फिर मिलेंगे. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.